Hey, I was thinking about you. Wanted to send you some data about the housing market with interest rates, with the temperature of the market, the history of Colorado home prices, and historical appreciation. So stay with me for just a couple minutes. First, you can see historically, these are the facts about interest rates. And I've said it before, till 2010, never below 5%. Of course, we saw the surge last year, which created a crush on affordability. Those are coming down. We're seeing FHA rates near the middle to low fives, VA down there as well, and conventional rates are touching under 6% these days, making those houses more affordable. So, what does that mean for the temperature of the market? Now, this is HomeBot. You are in the system, okay? To get a gauge, if you look down here, 0 to 100, buyer market, seller market, hard to dispute analytics from computers. With that being said, 41 to 60 is a balanced market. And if you look at the chart here, there's really not many places that there's things below 60 in Denver. Globeville, but outside of that, we're seeing 60 to 80, 80 plus, and there's a place down near Centennial that's over 90. What does that mean? If their marketplace is a 61 to 80, that is a seller market with competition, home value growth, and it makes for a great investment. 90 to 100, that is a strong seller's advantage. So as you survey the metro here, just note that in real time, still a seller's market. If the homes are priced appropriately, if they're staged, my realtor partner friends are telling me they are moving. And we had two clients this week compete in multiple offer situations. They're not overpaying, but neither one of them got seller concessions. So it depends on the house. As far as the history of Colorado, let's talk about that. So you might have seen this before, but 1980 Q1, $100,000. Q1 2020, 591. We saw the pump up 2021 and 2 and a slight retracement, but that retracement is 1%. Okay, so we have a supply issue in America. If you're thinking about buying, these are things to take into consideration. Historical appreciation in Colorado is just north of 4.5%. A house today, if you go over 40 plus years of time, that includes the housing crisis, a house today, if you owned it for 5 years, is projected to land at 750 if you bought it for 600 right now. Look up the data on supply issue in America. Once you got to look at how many active listings there are, you have to take out under contracts. Builders have been under building since 2008. Guys, we have a big supply issue in America, and this is the drum I'm beating on, because if you're waiting to buy, that problem isn't something that we can solve. Builders are slowing down building right now because of the fear due to interest rates, and the big box firms are buying up rentals. Reach out, schedule time to talk to me, calendly.com/mortgage maestro. If you're looking to buy for yourself, if you're looking for a rental, schedule that, and in the notes, put that, because that's a different conversation. But there's opportunity to create wealth in this market. Hope you're well. Tell your friends, share this video. And if anybody needs to talk about a mortgage, I would love an introduction and a referral by you. Thank you so much.